Welcome to Infinity Biological Soils. Our head office is in Perth, Australia, and from here we have developed one of the most important modern agricultural technologies in recent times, the bioreactor. This safe, fast, low energy and emissions capturing technology builds optimized, humus-rich, organic soil fertilizers. The bioreactor produces soils for commercial organic farm scale and eliminates soil pathogens and weed seeds completely. A little history: our team have over 3 decades of soil expertise from farms and commercial projects in America, Australia, Africa, and Asia. Dr. On was a principal with the original USA vessel compost technology and was responsible for the improved material handling designs and the critical step change breakthrough of introducing beneficial biological microbes. Vessel composting is a proven commercial technology still used today and a steady improvement from static pile or windrow composting, which is a great asset to organic farming. All composting, however, does create emissions and runoff issues and struggles to achieve complete pathogen and weed seed removal. Compost facilities have a huge business footprint because composting takes time. The bioreactor modernizes organic soil production by ensuring captured emissions for carbon, methane and or leachate to comply with ever more demanding legislation. Furthermore, the bioreactor vessel allows the complete elimination of all pathogens and weed seeds to EPA standards, a critical process for organic crops and commercial farming. The removal of all pathogens further enables the management of many problem waste streams such as manures, food waste and civic or municipal waste. The bioreactor will take any organic carbon source material and convert it to some of the best, humus-rich, organic soils in the world. Fly ash and exhausted vegetative matter such as filter or press cake waste or even digestate can be repurposed back to organic living soils as part of this carbon farming solution. The bioreactor processes all organic materials 4 to 8 times faster than the other methods with complete production control and a smaller business footprint. The control and capture of all gases and fluids allows the placement of the technology closer to conurbations without smell and emissions concerns. Commercially, the bioreactors operate very profitably. In many instances there are gate fees for waste streams which cover the very low overhead of low power usage and low labor costs due to a fully integrated management system connected to Australia. The management system with the technology controls allows the scaling of multiple machines rapidly with limited trained technical input that supports a country license business model. The bioreactors have a multitude of applications from specific waste management stream repurposing to the generation of as much organic soils volume as possible. Where we see considerable advantage for the bioreactor is to form a carbon source trade arrangement with farmers whereby the farmers grow their own volume of crops as carbon source biomass for conversion to organic soils. The raw materials can then be traded with the bioreactor site operator, providing almost free optimized organic soils for every farmer, rich or poor. The alignment of the farm carbon source trade and the waste streams builds the volumes of raw materials needed to support the transition to regenerative commercial farming on a national scale. This carbon source material and the technology and expertise transfer have been a notorious pinch point for organic regenerative farming to scale. Now, as the crop nutrient input is now almost free, every farmer globally could be applying carbon back into the ground as the single best all-natural carbon capture solution available today while improving the economy and food supply security. This carbon farming reduces the farm costs by as much as 20% while improving the nutrition and value of these now organic commercial crops. These reduced farm costs reduce food costs while increasing nutrition, offering potential to reduce world hunger. Better and less expensive foods help all of us with the cost of living and inflation. Infinity Biological Soils utilizes a farm regenerative standards business model to support farmers and rural communities. Infinity Biological Soils is committed to paying forward profits into new projects at this important time for the world and farming. Follow our progress as we develop our projects. Contact Infinity Biological Soils to learn more or become a project partner. Thank you for your time.